the world's first outrageously effective, gluten-free, whole-body deodorant is safe to use anywhere. Developed by an OBGYN after years of research, Lumi blocks odor from happening in the first place and keeps working for up to 72 hours. Complete your starter pack offer at LumiDeo.com.
Love this Disney movie? Stream it along with more of your favorites on Disney Plus.
You're going to turn me into one of those fat, useless, contented house cats.
I couldn't or anything like that because I don't have any. What do you call them, Max? Yabos?
College Edition. Hocus Pocus. Saturday on Freeform. Look.
Come on! Move it!
Oh, we want
So
to
you
go.
want it
I want to go.
for a video, by the way.
Winnie, we will make more potions because Winnie, we have the time. Besides, I want to get that little rat-faced kid that called me. Oh, don't say it,
This is like the friend that was in my hotel room in 2017. It was one of those droopy kid slurs, just like this one. Don't turn it off. I'm trying to run it.
Shh! I don't want it on.
I'm trying to run it, by the way,
No.
for a video.
Porter, you already done the video. Come on.
I said I'm working on it.
Let me see you drive.
Oh yeah, that other fact is true about the.
Hurry, hurry! Go, 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 go! No, wait, Daddy! Run, Daddy, run!
This one's really fast. Or the Blake effect.